Who's coming, Tommy? Santa
Boy.
Claus?
Oh boy.
Who's coming tonight? Santa Claus?
Yeah.
And how is he going to get into our house?
Open the door.
How come he's not going to come down the chimney?
Because there's a screen.
There's a screen there?
Yeah.
And what did you ask Santa for?
A microscope and a lot of other stuff.
A microscope and a lot of other stuff?
What?
Fire truck. Do you like fire trucks?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we'll ask Santa to get you one.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, Santa Claus. We wish you a Merry Christmas, Santa Claus. How you send pictures to Santa Claus?
I'll email him
How?
with my computer.
That looks what Santa brought me. That look, you got candy. Oh. Dad, this one's for you.
Dominic. Did Santa come?
Yeah, Mama. He got
Yeah.
a microscope. Dad, open it, open it, open it.
Santa, you must have been very good.
I am. No, Don doesn't know how to open presents.
Yeah, show him.
Don, look. Let me do this. Don, my fire truck. Don, you want this for your whole life? Santa knows what Donnie wanted. Aww. You little cheeky. Mine. My present. My present.
Tommy, this is Gab Gabs. I know. You need to. He wants to play with the Gab Gabs. You have your Thomas?
Yeah.
Good boy. And your candy cane.
Her name is Sophie the Giraffe. Just what I wanted. It's mine. Yay, I got it.
All right.
Thank you, Dom. This is the best Christmas ever. I love Christmas. Great. So I want to take it for my whole life and see what it is. A new T-shirt.
Oh, look at the front of it. What is it? Ballet shoes.
I love it. This is
Yay! A camera!
A real camera.
A real camera. Thank you.
I'm so welcome.
Thanks, honey.